In a world of synthetic products, our skin often yearns for the gentle touch of nature. This herbal face pack, passed down through generations, promises to restore your skin's natural radiance. It combines the potency of simple kitchen ingredients like potato, gram flour, honey, curd, and turmeric. This face pack is a holistic solution for various skin concerns. Say goodbye to pigmentation, dark spots, uneven skin tone, and dullness. Embrace the natural path to glowing skin. This face pack is not just a beauty treatment, it's a ritual. It connects us to the wisdom of our ancestors and the healing power of nature. It is easy to make and apply, making it a convenient addition to your skincare routine. Every ingredient in this face pack is a powerhouse of benefits, carefully chosen for its unique properties. Each component has been selected not just for its traditional uses, but also for its scientifically proven benefits. Let's delve into the science and tradition behind each element, starting with the humble potato. Potato. This humble root vegetable is a natural bleaching agent. It contains an enzyme called catecholase, which helps to lighten dark spots and pigmentation, giving you a more even skin tone. Potatoes are also rich in vitamins and minerals that nourish the skin, making it look healthier and more vibrant. Next, we have gram flour, also known as besan. A staple in Indian households, gram flour is known for its cleansing and exfoliating properties. It gently removes dead skin cells, leaving your skin feeling soft and smooth. This gentle exfoliation also helps to brighten the complexion, making your skin look more radiant and youthful. Honey, a natural humectant, honey attracts and retains moisture, keeping your skin hydrated and supple. It also possesses antibacterial properties, preventing breakouts and keeping your skin clear. Honey is also rich in antioxidants, which help to protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. Curd, yogurt. Rich in lactic acid, curd gently exfoliates the skin, revealing a brighter complexion. It also helps to tighten pores and reduce the appearance of fine lines. Its soothing properties calm irritated skin, making it an excellent choice for those with sensitive skin. Turmeric. This golden spice is renowned for its anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties. It effectively reduces redness, blemishes, and acne scars, leaving your skin with a healthy glow. Turmeric is also known for its antioxidant properties, which help to protect the skin from environmental damage and premature aging. By combining these powerful ingredients, this face pack offers a holistic approach to skincare, addressing multiple concerns and leaving your skin looking and feeling its best. Whether you're dealing with dryness, dullness, or uneven skin tone, this face pack has got you covered. So go ahead, give your skin the care it deserves with these natural, effective ingredients. Embrace the power of nature, and let your skin shine with health and vitality. With regular use, you'll notice a significant improvement in your skin's texture and appearance. So why wait? Start your journey to beautiful, glowing skin today. Remember, the best skincare is the one that works for you, and these ingredients have stood the test of time for a reason. Trust in the power of nature, and let your skin reveal its true beauty. Your skin will thank you for it. Let's gather our ingredients and begin our journey to radiant skin with this simple step-by-step guide. 1 tablespoon grated raw potato, 1 tablespoon gram flour, besan, 1 teaspoon honey, 1 teaspoon curd, yogurt, and half a teaspoon turmeric powder. Instructions. In a clean bowl, combine the grated potato, gram flour, honey, curd, and turmeric powder. Mix all the ingredients well to form a smooth paste. Add a few drops of water or rose water if needed to adjust the consistency. Cleanse your face with a gentle cleanser and pat dry. Apply an even layer of the face pack to your face and neck, avoiding the delicate eye area. Relax and let the face pack work its magic for 15 to 20 minutes. Once the pack is semi-dry, gently massage in circular motions for a minute to enhance exfoliation. Rinse off the face pack thoroughly with lukewarm water. Pat your skin dry and apply a light moisturizer. Consistency is key when it comes to skincare. It's not just about the immediate results but the long-term benefits that come with regular use. By incorporating this herbal face pack into your routine, you are investing in the future health and beauty of your skin. Regular use of this herbal face pack, 2 to 3 times a week, will reward you with reduced pigmentation and dark spots. Over time, you'll notice a significant improvement in your skin's overall appearance, making it look more youthful and vibrant. The natural bleaching agents in potato and turmeric work together to fade away pigmentation and dark spots, revealing a brighter, more even complexion. These ingredients are not only effective but also gentle on the skin, making them suitable for all skin types. Brighter and radiant skin is another benefit. With consistent use, your skin will not only look healthier but will also feel more refreshed and rejuvenated. The exfoliating properties of gram flour and curd remove dead skin cells, while turmeric brightens the skin, revealing a natural glow. This combination ensures that your skin is not only clean but also glowing with health. Improved skin tone and texture is also a significant benefit. The regular application of this face pack helps to smooth out any rough patches, giving your skin a more even and refined look. The combined action of all the ingredients helps to improve skin tone, reduce the appearance of blemishes, and refine skin texture for a smoother, healthier look. By choosing natural ingredients, you are ensuring that your skin receives the best care without any harmful chemicals. Achieving radiant skin isn't just about what you apply on the outside, it's about nurturing your body from the inside out. While this face pack works wonders on the surface, true radiance comes from within. Your skin reflects your overall health and well-being. Here are some holistic skincare tips. Hydration is key. Drinking enough water helps to flush out toxins and keeps your skin looking plump and youthful. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your skin hydrated and supple. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day, and consider adding a slice of lemon for an extra boost of vitamin C. Nourishment from within is essential. What you eat directly impacts your skin's health and appearance. Consume a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats to provide your skin with essential nutrients. Foods like avocados, nuts, and berries are particularly beneficial. Beauty sleep is crucial. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your skin to repair and rejuvenate itself. During sleep, your body works to heal and regenerate skin cells, making rest an essential part of your skincare routine. And of course, sun protection is crucial. The sun's UV rays can cause premature aging and increase the risk of skin cancer. Protect your skin from harmful UV rays by wearing sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher every day, even on cloudy days. Reapply every 2 hours when outdoors, and don't forget areas like your neck and hands. While this face pack is generally safe for all skin types, it's always best to err on the side of caution. Patch test is important. Before using the face pack on your entire face, apply a small amount to your inner forearm and leave it on for 24 hours to check for any allergic reactions. If you have sensitive skin, reduce the amount of turmeric used or do a patch test before applying it to your face. And remember to avoid the eye area. Be careful not to apply the face pack to the delicate skin around your eyes. This herbal face pack is a testament to the power of nature and the wisdom passed down through generations. Embrace the simplicity and effectiveness of this natural remedy. Share this gift of natural beauty with your loved ones, and let's rediscover the joy of glowing skin together.